Hello, tonight a personal introduction. My name is Carlos and I am 32 years old. In my free time, I love to do sport and actually live in Belém, Department of Nariño. In my last vacation, going for a walk in the city of Pasto. Currently, like my dad, my mom, and my brothers. Yeah, I am studying radiology in diagnostic imaging technology. In my next vacation, I will go to Spain. The vacation in Cali. My hobbies, I like to paint. Receive a title, uh, title, michelada. Total time 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Preparation time 5 minutes. Um, servings. Four servings. Notes. When enjoying a good time, not every time is better when celebrating why why when a beer turned michelada. Ingredients: 5 lemons, one beer, salt, 4 glasses, a knife, a lemon squeezers. Instruction: first, slide a lemon over the rim on the glass. Second, sprinkle salt on the rim of the glass. Third, add the lemon juice to taste. Lastly, the beers. Thanks.